Good morning.
Malaon na po ta.
So, magmukbang na po ni guys. Pagtiisan niyo po guys.
Porridge.
With the butter.
Pagka
Pakita na mga food guys ha. Mga porridge.
Kaon kag itlog guys.
Nalamig kayo lang itlog di. Apel man sa mahal. Kada diri kay kabalo sila long agong itlog.
Kabalo ba? Kung sa diyan.
Gadikit. Problema kano kay gadikit ang kuana. I knew it.
Kita po na din ko. Di na lang na rin ko kaunon.
Lamin na timura na din siya o kuan, batchoy. Ayun, sige na, goto.
Goto.
Oh. We have something like this in the Philippines. We call goto.
Goto.
Yeah, it's a porridge.
Savory.
It's tasty because it has usually have like some parts of the beef meat. Yes. But it's a porridge and we eat it not just for breakfast. When you don't have enough sleep and you're still wanna
Hangover.
be awake, then you can go to the goto.
Goto.
We have goto places in the Philippines.
So, goto there.
Goto hotels.
Coffee system. Coffee.
Kape? Yung malakas, yung kaya kaming ipaglaban ti.
Oo.
Balsam.
Sarap. We don't do that. We do that in our porridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, we mix the egg. That makes it social.
Social.
Yes.
See?
ramen.
Look.
Social.
Guys, social. Dali po.
Wala kayo. Ako ba?
Huwag mapakuan na mga
Guys, nag-lisod siya. Kanat siya ang itlog, guys.
Pasensya na guys.
Saan na lang.
Saan na lang.
Kuya.
Hilig ka, nakakatawa. Imong agok daw, nakakatawa.
Sorry naman.
Yeah, no. Nisin na. Nisin na harapis. Ang prikon na harapis.
Okay, para mura man kong monster. Basta
Uno ba?
mo.
Harapis ako.
Ako ba?
Mo ginereklamo sa ako mga kauban. Itong mga Briton may apon na yan.
Salamat guys, nara kung itlog guys.
Salamat sis Pian.
Salamat.
May ilang kaon din.
Oh.
Na may Toyota eh. Dami ilang
Siya?
na.
Tamisod.
Kaya mo siguro may kuan ka na mga kwakaraot ba?
Ibutan ng itlog.
What is that? The butter?
Domestic made. Domestic homemade.
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 Dan?
Dan.
Dan iti? Wow! More, eat more.
Cook, cook.
Koko. Aka.
Katya.
Yes.
Yes.
Very fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
15 years, 6 children.
Dahil mga ito, tingnan mo ako lang.
Lami. Ay,
Oh, wow.
napudi ay.
Summa, I'm stop.
Jimmy's what?
Yeah, Jimmy, Jimmy.
Guys, napudi sila yung ani guys.
Sunny side up, guys.
Usok.
What do you call that? Cooking?
What do you call this? Fried egg. That's it.
Sorry. Golden. Summer.
Cheese.
Damda.
Damdam.
Cute. Coffee.
Rahmet.
Dami ang yang sis. Coffee.
No.
Why?
Done.
Why not?
Cool.
Ahmed.
Gagmay na pag ka na. Kumot ilang kape ay.
Okay. Hindi, dyan yung kapenti.
You have Kazakh coffee as well? You grow your own coffee beans now?
No, you did not listen to her. Oh my God.
Oh,
They only grow tea. They import coffee. Yes.
because it won't survive here. Coffee. Kabugnaw siguro na. Jacobs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ano? Nescafe.
Nescafe? Nescafe Philippine?
Yeah.
Good. Yes,
Yes.
yes. Sabi ko, Philippine.
Cute.
Oh, I.
Even chocolate?
Chocolate.
Nestle.
Chocolate.
Yeah,
Nestle,
Nestle.
Nestle and
Yeah.
Nestle Tursa ko sa mga. Oh, good.
Bantog din isupak sa nga supak di man dili siya soup. Porridge siya.
Orange. Okay na ibutong.
Nagtunong ko mga guto. Dili, sayop dito guys.
Wrong. Wrong information guys.
Kuani siya ka na. Kuani siya.
Kaya oatmeal.
Meal nga style.
Oh. Kanitilawan na to ah.
What's the name?
Pandiluna.
Bigalo na. Mm. Do you put salt on the egg? No.
Oh no. Do you need salt?
We usually put salt.
Payungog ko.
Pero wako na yung nangita ka tiya.
Wala na ni mo.
아빠 그 좋아하는 신데.
Malalas Pinoy. Tara.
So,
Inyong asin mo na pag asukal na.
that is with the herbs.
I like that.
Okay.
Kani kay murag bato.
Ay mo.
Dili oil.
Lamat ano yun. Nagko kayo eh.
Ha? Sana naman ang dagko. And then you eat your bread.
Umana ka.
Hindi magkaon cook egg.
Oh.
Na?
Oh, kanina lang.
Hindi mo ga-adjust sa table ka. Abas out na ka.
Di maliw ko bas
Bas out man sukong si Ma'am Justic kung dili mabas out kay wala mo stationing kayo. Joke lang te.
Surya, Surya.
We do this like that.
Yeah. Kami social.
Shusha. Yes.
Salt man. Ano, dapat ka ko yun.
What do you call coffee in Kazakh? Also cafe? Coffee?
We say coffee.
Coffee.
Yeah.
Ours is kape. Kape.
Kape.
Kid.
Kape. Kape.
Kape.
Kape.
Yes.
Kuha ka ka-assignment, magkape ka. Sa iyong classmate.
Kape. Kape.
Yeah. Sige, natawa lang letter. Kipon.
Ilang tea kayo?
Ba? Ilang AK? Oh. Katuwa na dito dire.
Kung gusto niyo matunan ng alphabet.
Sa'yo na doon. Mag-study daw ko.
Bear.
Be.
Yeker.
Topush. Tor.
Tux.
Yes.
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 Nice.
Oh.
Guys, lamig siya.
So, kuhaan sila diri guys. Kuhaan sila bugas diri. Piki. Piki lang panudlanan. Sa bugas.
Eat more.
Hop, hop, hop.
Ko. Ko.
Full.
Wanna make you smile.
Ang asin.
Saan ako kasi?
Imong imong yung rot.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang. Yung problema ko ano eh.
Mine, I am already done with my porridge.
Very nice. Good job.
Они отконсинят кашляют. Что-то они могут это кашлять.
Lamig ang mayroon.
Постелились, наверное?
Estabi.
Постелились,
Стабе.
наверное.
Nice.
Para more energy, mas happy.
Yeah.
Ingon si James Ray. Ikalain ba ni na din lustri nga naghinay-hinay siya kaon?
Nanginom to. Sorry guys. Dili ko breakfast person guys. Pasay do kami.
Mo man yung katong fresh kay ka gibake gapon no.
Kanina po. Whole wheat.
Healthier option.
Whole wheat bread. Wala may pandesal direte.
Mo na niya lang pandesal. Bugnaw mo sa isang lugar so lisod ang init.
Ba?
We have in the Philippines we have pandesal.
Bread. Our breakfast bread.
Nice.
It's bread but we usually want it hot, fresh from the
Nice.
pugon.
Like the traditional oven first.
It's called pugon.
Good. It's like today in Kazakh, we say bugun.
Bugon. It's today.
Today.
Bugon.
Bugan.
Bugun.
Bugon, Vilya.
Bugan. Buwa. Bugan. Bugan.
Today. Bugon. Tomorrow,
Yep, yeah.
yak kyang. Yak kyang. Yesterday,
Fish, yeah.
kisya. Babala?
Hindi ko kaya mga anak ko eh. May bigla sa pera. Tukoy mo! Para hindi ko magagawa sa mga anak ko eh. Nakawan mo! Masama pa yung magnakaw eh. Hindi masama ang nakawin mo sarili mong pera. Mga anak mo yun!
Brad. He was a famous comedian. But
Spanish?
Filipino.
Both sila, di ba, namatay na? Parehas sila. Ika sila malain, guys, na tinakumuro sila sa account, guys.
Malain sila guys.
Ika sila malain, guys.
Higo para na.
Dili ko, tinakumuro. I can't finish it. Is it okay?
Yeah.
It's good when it's hot.
Yeah, it's
Like,
on.
yeah.
But it's yummy.
Damda.
Small spoon.
It's okay? Yeah.
Kani magguloy mo yung gamiton dapat tayo.
Kaya nga naman.
Gamay na kayo kung kaya nga. Kuraan na.
A small spoon, no, it's not.
He used a small spoon so she did not finish it.
No, it's okay. This one.
Oh, maybe this one.
We need to bring this.
We have to. You want more? Right?
I think we can leave it. It's okay. Thank you.
Amazing siya, no? Dagan siya, balaan ng luto. Everything is homemade, guys. Bot pasabot na sila katabang.
Homemade. Nga na-upload sa balay. Pasuloy ka tabang na nakapuyo sa balay.
Homemade.
Kumakain ka ng sopas gamit ang tinidor. Kapag hinihintay ka na kaibigan sa kalit, kumain ka ng sopas.
Kabaw siya. This one is the same. The taste is traditional.
Да, да, доска.
Homemade
Само
burger.
суп, с вилками
Made of
идет.
milk.
Oh, siya og margarine.
Ba?
А, not soup, rice. This one.
Rice, not mine.
For the rice, we use always spoon.
No?
But when we're so shallow,
Social. Yes. This one's social. American style.
A day, my daily dose of sugar.
Nara. Cha.
Di naman, oh, kato man lang palisan na katong bulsake.
Bulsake.
Kani, modyalo naman eh.
Kuan mangguna. Pandeluna. Media luna. Pandeluna.
Half moon. Ayan.
yeah,
It's half
I
moon.
got it. It's like Pande Island, Pande, how do you say Pan? It's like,
Pande.
when we talk about island, also
Ah.
Pande Island, no? Like Peninsula?
Peninsula.
Peninsula. You say the same? Peninsula?
It's
Peninsula.
peninsula. Yeah.
Peninsula. We have a hotel, it's called Manila Peninsula.
Da,
Manila Pen.
sa
Makati.
Kugon.
Makati.
Sada ba na to?
Katong kuan,
Ah! Sana ako naka-check in dito. No, Peninsula. Manila, Peninsula. Famous ba na?
Manila pen. Di ba guys? Famous mo ng Manila pen.
Okay.
So how is the taxi in Manila?
We have Grab. Grab is the app where you can book your taxi. It's usually private cars. We also have taxi, like local taxis. Yeah. We
You
have
can just stop them.
yeah. They also have airport taxis in Manila.
Do they usually ask
Yellow collar taxis.
for expensive price for?
I think the cheapest one would be the local taxi, but it's not very. For me, it's not very safe because sometimes the drivers don't charge you the right price. Unfortunately, guys.
Yeah, especially if they knew that you are a foreigner,
Yeah.
they will charge you more.
Yeah.
Even us also. If they knew that we have this kind of accent, like not speaking Tagalog fluently, they will add more charge.
So better if you get the app.
The Grab.
You will know right away how much you're going to pay.
Okay.
Almost maybe. I finished my coffee.
Are they from here also?
They also get, if I'm not mistaken, from Switzerland.
They're from Swiss.
So in a big company of guys, they're from Poland.
Oh,
Because I just heard they speaking, and they were speaking like Russian, but it wasn't Russian, so that's why it means that it's Polish.
so Polish knows Russian, or they understand Russian.
Yeah. I mean, Polish people can even speak Russian. Speak and understand. We also can understand them, but we can't speak Polish.
We really can't speak and understand. Katya.
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 Siya Arab, pero marang
Good coffee. Jacobs. Where it's from? What country?
I don't have any idea.
Somewhere in Europe na siya.
Jacobs.
Namagyapo na sa Qatar.
Yeah.
Morning.
Breakfast?
No.
I just take what kind of speed?
Okay guys, we're done with our breakfast.
And we're off to go. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.